How to fix Instagram login problem. So if you're facing a problem with Instagram login, then what you need to do is open up your settings. And the first thing you need to do is go for internet and network and simply turn off your Wi-Fi or your mobile data. You can simply choose any one of that according to your preference, and then again turn on your Wi-Fi and connect to your Wi-Fi. And once you've done that, now go back and then scroll down and go for apps and open up your Instagram on your settings. Now go for storage and cache and tap on clear cache. And now your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can open up your Play Store, go for the search bar and search for Instagram. And here, if you have an update option instead of this open option, then you need to simply tap on update and update your Instagram application. And once you update your Instagram application, your problem might be fixed. Or you can simply tap on uninstall and you can uninstall your application. And after uninstalling, your problem might be fixed. That's it. That's how you fix your Instagram login problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.